Abuti, say hello to the children. Today, we're learning about things that we find outside. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
Abuti, what is the word for cloud in Sepedi?
Liru.
And the word for sun in Sepedi?
Letsatsi.
And what is the word for tree in Sepedi?
Mohlare.
And what is the word for flower in Sepedi?
Lechoba.
So, we have Leru, Lechachi, Mohlare, and Lechoba. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.